go to your YouTube studio, turn on and turn off these settings that I'm going to give you right now. As I'm talking to you right now, just head straight to your YouTube studio and turn on or turn off these settings that I'm going to talk to you about right now. Hello, my name is Blessing Oluisala and I'm here to help your channel grow, teaching how to use softwares in collaboration with my sister Eva, and to teach you how your channel can grow and grow and grow. These settings that I'm going to talk to you about right now, you need to head over to your channel and change them. This is because they are affecting your subscribers, they are affecting your views, they are affecting your watch time hours, they are making you not to gain subscribers, and your channel is gradually dying off. So you need to go and turn on or turn off these settings that I am going to show you right now. Let's go over to the other side to show you all the settings that you need to turn on or turn off and their implications.
So here's how to sign into when you come to your browser, here's how to sign into your studio. Just type studio.youtube.com. So when you get to your youtubestudio.com, you can see it here. This is how to go to your YouTube. I assume you've set up your channel and you can access your studio page. So the first thing you are going to do when you get here is come to this customization. You click on it. You can see profile, you can see home tab. Now, first of all, click on home tab and make sure this home tab show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Make sure it is turned on, because if it is off, you will not see most of the settings that we want to talk about here. So make sure it is turned on. If it is on, that's when you can access the other settings that we want to talk about in this video. So you turn it on, make sure it is on. Then you come to this layer, customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. So you can add a lot of sections here. Okay, you can add your channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers, live on, past live streams, upcoming live streams, single playlist, created playlist. Let's try one of these. I think I already have my channel trailer. Yeah, so do I have a channel trailer? I don't think so. So let me see. For you to choose a channel trailer, it is better you use a video that has the highest views. So I think the video that has the highest views in my channel right now is downloading CapCut easily. So CapCut, yes, no more delayed export. This is the one that has the highest view. So you can see it has given me a channel trailer. For whoever has not subscribed, if they visit my page, this is the first video that they will see. For me to make sure it is appearing in my channel, I have to click on publish. Okay, so let's go on. So you can add several sections from here. Add sections. Now, come up here. Popular videos, you can see that's the most popular video. Okay, and here you can move these icons the way you like by clicking on this place. If you want to move videos up here and bring this one down, you can move this up. So when you move it up, that will now be the first thing that your viewers will see when they visit your page. But most times it is better you leave your popular videos up. Okay, so now click on more settings and ensure everything here is turned on. Your videos are turned on. Let's read what it says. For your settings, what to include in the For You section. The For You section will only be visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Okay, so your videos, turn it on, your shorts, turn them on, your live stream, turn them on. Then recency, all content recommended. YouTube always update the For You section with fresh contents. That is what they do. Recent content only, content you've posted in the last 12 months. Some creators say, you know me, I will always be truthful with you. Some creators say, don't put it on here. Turn this off because it automatically is here. Then put it on here. So put on recent content only. Honestly speaking, you can see that mine is on, but I have not seen any effect of this particular setting. Okay, so I will leave it like this and see what happens. But everybody, if you go to a lot of channels, they will tell you, come and put it here. That is why you're not getting subscribers and all that. It's been here, and I have only 58 subscribers right now. On this YouTube street, they teach us different things, but I only teach what I am sure of. So I don't know the effect of this particular thing yet. Honestly, in my other channel that I have monetized, this is what has been on, and I have not had any negative effects about it. And that channel is over 1 year. I mean, I've been posting on it for over 1 year. So honestly, until I have something to say about this, I will leave it like this. I'm always truthful. So it's not because everybody is saying it, then me too, I will come and say it. No, the things I'm sure of that you should turn on and turn off, those are the things I'm teaching you right now. So let's click on done and move on. Now, so that is the For You section. The only thing I can tell you here is turn on your channel trailer. When people come to your YouTube channel, let them see the most popular video. You know, it will encourage them. Why is everybody trying to watch this video? That means it is of value. Then move your popular videos, let them be here. Your shorts are okay. I think I will move the shorts down. I'll move the shorts down. Yes, so my videos are next because my long form videos is more important to me than the shorts. The shorts is to make sure people are also watching the long form videos. Then when you finish here, you click on publish. Okay. So that's what you must click on, that publish. If not, everything you've done is not, it will not show. It won't show. Now, other important things, make sure you set your banner. Make sure you set your banner. Make sure your banner is on. Make sure your profile picture is on. Make sure you create a name for your channel, a name that is not popular. I said something about web magnetic that I gave myself. So when you just go on the channel and you're just searching web magnetic, it is usually difficult to get web magnetic directly until you put the art. So this is the easiest way to get my channel. Why? Because the word wealth is very popular. So if you can use your name, it is actually better for you so that people can easily search for you. But you know, I'm already running this and I don't want to, disrupt what is going on already. So I'm going to leave it at wealth magnetic. Then you can add your pronouns, he, she, whatever you want to add. You can add it if you want to. Then your description, very important. This is a default description that you have to make sure you put on as well. Your contact, email, your contact, other accounts you have, Instagram and everything. And if you have anything to sell, like this is my book, my ebook on Amazon. This is my ebook on Amazon. So if you want to purchase it, I have a link here for you to also purchase it. Then it is important to put a disclaimer in your videos so that people will not say, the advice I got it from so. Just for legal reasons, it's important to put on your disclaimer. Then thank your audience for their support. It is not easy to come and support you. thank them, then click on publish. So we've talked about our home tab, our profile, we've set everything down. Now, when it comes to settings, you leave this here. This is default. YouTube operates with US dollar. Just leave it that way. Then come to your channel. You also put your country. Very important. Put your country. Put your country, the real one that you are living in. That is where you should put, not the one you are assuming in your head because of RPM and CPM. You understand? A lot of people will go and choose US because of high CPM and RPM. Please, it will affect you when it's time for you to get your money. Okay? Then you put your keywords here. Keywords. And most time when you are putting your keywords, make sure you put your channel name. It is very, very important. Your channel name. Anything related to your channel, please put it here as a keyword for search purposes. Then when it comes to advanced setting, this is very important. Most times you will see default, yes, set this as for kids, made for kids. Please, this is the one I will hammer you to turn off. Turn it off and put it on no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I am very sure of this one, so I can confidently tell you about this. Okay, so make sure you put it here. Then this is also very important. You can see everything here is enabled. That's because I am working towards monetization. So I have verified my number, my phone number, and I've also done like send a video for identity sake. So if you have not done that, do that. I think I made a video of exactly how to go about this verification of phone number and everything. Yes, I've done that video on how to open your YouTube channel. So you see, I have you in mind. I'm thinking of you every now and then. So I'm making videos to ensure that you are well covered. Now we are done with channel. Come to upload defaults. In your upload defaults, put a regular title that you will always change all the time, because this cannot be the title that every of your video will have. But most time once you upload, this is what will show. Okay, then give a description. What is your channel about? Make sure you put it on. What is your channel about? Then for visibility, most times I think I should change this thing to unlisted. Yes, change it to unlisted. I put it on private before, but please don't put it on public. If you put it on public, any video you put up, even without you if you want to, because most time when you put a video up, you will want to still edit, put your thumbnails and everything. If you don't put it on unlisted, your video will just go public like that. And it is not advisable for you to have put a video public, then you delete it or you are making it private again. I also made a video about that. So please make sure you put this on unlisted or private. Very important, because this is automatic. This is upload default. Automatically any video you put up will not go public until you schedule it or until you make it public. Okay, so that's very important. Then come to, let me save this first. Let's go back there to our settings. We are in upload default. Come to advanced settings. Most times this advanced setting, you don't have much to do as far as I'm concerned. It says allow automatic chapters and key moments. Well, some creators say we should not allow this, but I left this until I see something different. I will come and talk about it, but for now I'm leaving it by default. Then I put my how to style category. Most of my videos is how to use this software, how to do something on YouTube. So it is how to and style that I put here. You can put, if you are in education, let's click what is here. Are you talking about autos or vehicles? Are you in comedy? Are you in education? Are you entertaining us? Film and animation? Are you into gaming? Is it music? Is it news and politics? Is it non-profit activism? Is it people and blogs? Is it pets? So you put it according to the one that you want. But mine is how to start. So that is fine. Then these are the most important ones. So you can leave every other thing here. All this permission, community, creator demographic, they are not really important. So these are the settings that you must put on. Okay guys, so if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Very important, as I bring you more and more videos like this, a lot of videos. As I am growing, you two are growing. I'm learning from you, you are learning from me. Turn on your notification bell, very important, so that as I put these videos up, you will get them easily. Thank you so much. Bye.